Welcome to our tutorial on buying tickets for Tomorrowland. Here's a quick guide to securing your passes. First, pre-register for ticket sales by creating or signing into your Tomorrowland account at my.tomorrowland.com. Ensure your details are up to date. Pre-registration is necessary and ends on January 31st, 2025 at 20 o'clock CET. On the day of the sale, access the ticket sales through your account. Choose your ticket type and weekend. Verify your details and proceed to payment. Ensure your credit card can handle international payments to Belgium. After payment, you'll receive a confirmation email with your order number. Personalize each ticket by filling in the names and email addresses of your friends. Follow the instructions in the confirmation email. Personalization is crucial as non-personalized tickets can be cancelled. For global journey travel packages, use the price simulator to plan your package. On the sale day, select your package and complete the buyer information. Proceed to payment using a credit card. After successful payment, you'll receive a confirmation email. Remember to personalize your tickets using the link in the PayLogic email. Double-check your details as changes aren't possible after personalization. We hope this guide helps you secure your tickets to Tomorrowland. Thank you for watching.